So this is how you get an Xbox 360 controller to work with UCCNC. In UCCNC, go to Settings, Configure Plugins. You probably cannot see this. Scroll all the way down. Xbox 360. Enable that so when you open up UCCNC, it automatically opens up. And then I would take note of and maybe do the same button codes I have. If you want to figure out what the buttons are, just go ahead and hit the button. So I'm going to be pressing the Y. So Y is button 3. And if we go to button 3, you can see that's my reset toggle. But I would go ahead and save these settings. These are X and Y movements, so you need to jog in the negative direction. So that's X minus. And then the up call code, you need to turn off the jog mode. And then I have the back button and the start button to increase the jog rate. Now I'll show you really quick what some of the buttons I have are. Left and or Y is reset, B is cycle start, stop, A is cycle start, X is my 0. So that moves A. My Z axis is my bumpers. And then if I want to jog slower or faster, I press the start and back button.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.